Now the charger is ready to be assembled, and here I have two cables which are okay. I have this and this other one. I'll thread them through one of them, that is, I'll thread one of them through this hole and close the charger. But going through these two junctions, I've realized that this one fits that hole. This one is a bit small, so I'll use this one. While assembling this cable or connecting it to the charger itself, make sure you observe these notches, these two projections here. They will lie in these two notches on the junction. That's it. They're in place. So we connect the cable now to its slot. Make sure the clip clicks into place. The next thing is to bring in the upper casing. This upper cover acts as a cable holder. This is the cable holder. It will fit right into these grooves, this junction. I'll just demonstrate that for you. And also this is important to make sure that everything fits. So while you are fixing this top casing, you should ensure that you are holding the cable in place so that the holder on the casing properly holds the wire. This looks like a nice fix. All round, you can see this will turn out to be a good fix. All that remains here is for us to apply glue and fix this top cover onto the charger. But before we do that, I'd like to test again, and this time around I'm also going to test if this USB port is working. And this is fairly simple. I've tested the USB port, it's working okay. I've connected it to my phone, which uses 5 volts, and that's the output on the USB port here. Wow. Now for the final assembly, I'll apply glue to all the raised portions of this cover and also a bit on this other side, and then glue these two together. Of course, we do not forget to replace this covering. Remember to hold the cable in place while placing the top casing. Then press firmly together. And here is a complete charger. This Surface Pro charger is perfect. You can see the joint there is perfect, and all around where we opened there isn't much damage. Yeah, someone can tell you opened it, but just barely. But you sealed everywhere, and it is now ready for another lease of life. It's the connector which we changed, put in another one, and it's working fine. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly give it a like and subscribe to the channel and share.